How to fix Telegram login problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps and then click apps again, and here just type Telegram and then click on it, and here we'll find storage. Click on it and then click clear cache, and after that click permissions, and now just allow all of those permissions here. Click on it and allow, just allow all of those, and after that go back to data usage, and here we'll find mobile data, allow it, and then background data, and that's it. Now just go back, check if there's any update here, and then just update your Telegram and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.